Hey there. Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we have an important topic to discuss: how to turn off security alerts in Messenger. If you find these alerts to be intrusive or unnecessary, we'll guide you through the process step by step. Let's dive into our full guide. If you haven't downloaded the Messenger app yet, don't worry. We'll help you get started. Head over to the Play Store and in the search bar, type Facebook Messenger. Look for the app with a chat bubble icon featuring a sideways lightning bolt. It has a beautiful gradient between purple and blue. Once you find it, simply tap on it and then hit the install button. Now that you have Messenger installed, let's proceed to turn off those security alerts. Open the app and sign in using your Facebook account credentials. Once you're signed in, you'll be taken to your chat list. To access the settings, tap on the 3 stacked horizontal lines in the top right corner of the screen. This will open the main menu. From there, tap on the gear icon located next to your username. In the Settings menu, scroll down until you reach the Preferences section. Here, you'll find the option labeled Privacy and Safety. Tap on it to continue. Within the Privacy and Safety section, scroll further down until you see the Security option. Tap on it to access the security settings. Now, you'll find an option called End-to-End Encrypted Chats. Tap on it to proceed. Within the End-to-End Encrypted Chats settings, you'll see an option labeled Security Alerts. If it's currently turned on, simply tap on it once to turn it off. By doing this, you'll disable the security alerts in Messenger. You won't receive notifications for security-related events or activities. That's it! You've successfully turned off the security alerts in Messenger. This will help you have a more streamlined and uninterrupted messaging experience. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more useful tutorials like this. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. We'll be more than happy to help you out. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video. Happy messaging.